than others. So some that will come and meet you, Pastor AJ, in your house, most likely they will get to progress the right way.
Yes.
But if I meet somebody else that think he went through tough time, you have to go through tough time. He even went for a loan to pay this. You have to start paying by tomorrow. You are a lazy man. You want to stay in the house. Lazy guy, lazy girl. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so it becomes, my situation might be slower. My pace may be slower than the person that met you.
Yes. So it becomes like what I was saying before, communication.
Some people, they don't care what you communicate, Pastor.
No. No. And again, I have a case.
Yeah.
Like, I always have a case like this young man that I'm coaching.
Yeah.
Like he's thinking he needs to save AYZ to be able to pay the debt. And I'm like, no. Slow down.
Bit by bit.
Get the right things in place. There was a young man that I met, stranger. I don't know him from anywhere. Through like communication, I got to know. See, again, but I'm type of a person, I'm very strict.
Yeah.
When it comes to money matters. So this young man went into one person's hand. Raw from Ghana. He doesn't know anything.
Yeah.
And I realized that the background, where he has schooled, where he has been, is just you need a little bit of ABC
guidance, and he's fine.
So I say, you know what, bring him to me. Now he's doing very well.
Wow.
But we sat down, we sat down and communicate what he wants, and even to communicate the fact that even if it comes to the worst scenario, I was gonna buy him scooter bike. Yeah. But then we look at the risks involved.
Yeah.
So all these things we communicated, and then we put things in place. Now he's doing well.
Okay, let me ask you, viewers, so what do you think? Can everybody get through somebody to communicate? In your situation, have you done all the communication? Did it work? Or someone just decided to turn a deaf ear to everything? Nothing you said made sense. And maybe you were even considered lazy, stubborn, bad, or whatever. My next question that we need to talk about is, what should a new person avoid?
All right, very good question. Very, very, very. This is $1 billion question. Number one, avoid time wasters.
Wow.
Okay. Or time wasting.
Okay.
You know how here telecommunication.
Yeah.
Is everywhere.
Yeah.
Internet is everywhere. Yeah. Alcohol is everywhere.
Yeah.
Parties everywhere.
Yeah.
Anything that will waste your time. Also, there's 24 hours in a day. When I was young, I used to go to seminars and they train you how to succeed. So my mentor said that you work for 8 hours, assuming that. Then you sleep for 8 hours.
Yeah.
So that's 16 hours gone.
16 gone.
You have no control. There is something that is called 8 hours to everybody. Whatever you use that 8 hours to do will determine who you become in life.
Yeah.
Give and take. Yeah? Give and take. Use 2 hours to travel to work. All right? 2 hours back. 4 hours is wasted. That 4 hours left is what I use. People say, Pastor J, I saw you here. I saw you there. I prioritize my time. That's the key to success.
Wow.
When you don't prioritize your time, you don't have time.
Oh, of course.
Most people will spend hours on the phone watching some stupid stuff somebody put on WhatsApp. How can you be rich?
Instead of listening to things like this.
Well, education.
Yeah.
I educate myself through men of God that I respect, that I love, that they're doing well.
Yeah.
And I listen to them. Or I go purposely to say, Papa, I'm coming to see you just to talk. One of my, again, Bishop, his name always comes.
Yeah.
He calls me and say, Kwaku, come, let's have breakfast. That breakfast, the things he will unload on you. You understand? Yeah. And every single day, like from here, I know that I got appointment with you at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
From here, I'm going to do Uber Eats because we're doing fasting and prayers, so I couldn't go to my normal job. But instead of sitting at home, just reading Bible only, I listen to the audio Bible in the car. Again, I'm still being productive in my fasting and prayers.
You get busy.
But I'm still getting paid, picking up food to give it to lazy people.
Yeah.
I love it. When they order and I say hello to them, because my hello is you're gonna give me a tip. Hi, it's AJ. I'm delivering your food.
Oh, again,
I'm
and you are still doing your talking, which you love to do.
That's right.
It's a walking talking.
And then they go like, oh my goodness, oh, the Uber driver that delivered my food.
It's nice.
So nice. $5 tip. I consciously, purposely design how I communicate my life. You understand? So I will not deliver food to you without saying hello to you.
So avoid time wasting.
Avoid time wasting.
And time wasters.
And time wasters. Some people will deliberately call you just to waste your time on the phone.
Yeah.
Put it on do not disturb. People cannot say, I'll call you back. Some people, even their phone is ringing and they're in the bathroom, they will run for the phone.
Yeah.
Why? Why can't you have a missed call?
No, it's not allowed.
So avoid time waste, and then avoid also negative people.
Mm-hmm.
People, they're not going anywhere. They're so negative about Australia. They had a bad experience. They have become historians. Yeah? They will tell you how bad that industry is, how racist everybody is, how bad this person is. It's not true. People are not racist.
Yeah, they are just different.
Are not racist.
They are just different.
No, I don't believe in racism.
They are just different people.
Yeah. Okay, there's somebody that will not like me.
Of course.
Yeah. There are Ghanaians that they don't like me.
Of course, man.
There are Nigerians that don't like me. But there are many people that love me.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah?
That's true.
People who discriminate, that you can get it everywhere. But to choose that, if somebody doesn't, why should somebody like you anyway? That's the question I ask myself. Why should you like me?
Mm-hmm.
There's not, because
but
I don't know you.
Let me sign this word of advice or raise this concern to everybody. Look, nobody likes you.
Yeah.
Nobody likes anybody. People come around you based on what you can deliver.
That's right.
Most of the people that are around us, they come to you based on what you can deliver.
So
what they can get from your value.
Okay.
Sometimes they may not get anything from you, but then because you are valuable, they would like to hang around you.
Yeah.
They are not your friends.
That's right.
If you have friends, those that would like you will be just like one or two of them.
That's right.
But the people most of the people that are around you, like Pastor, oh yeah, that guy, if you need anything, he can help you. So he will keep your number.
Yeah.
So if you
they'll call you when they need something.
Of
not
course.
Necessarily they
will interfere. They will interfere into your private space.
Yeah.
Phone privacy, they will interfere. Physical privacy, they will interfere.
Yeah.
But you can never get them when you need them.
Yeah, but
because they don't like you.
But that doesn't even bother me, because to me, like, let's say somebody come, like yesterday, somebody was just bombarding my phone to get a new accommodation. Yeah. I was like, man, it's the weekend. You understand? But she needed a place to rent.
Okay.
And I'm like, you know what, AJ, be nice. And on my quiet time, I just sent her some links to apply. You know, but that's good. That's different. Yeah. But there are certain people around you that will put them, when you want to categorize them, they are one of the time wasters. Because they will call you just when they want to, just when they are in need. Yeah. Right. So what I'm trying to say here is this, that don't expect anybody to like you, because they actually don't. Okay. Those that you even think they like you, they don't. Yeah. So they're actually around for their own interest. Yeah. And so relationships on this earth, some of them are built based on what people's needs are. Yeah. That's one way of building a relationship. Yeah. And so amongst the people that are having you around them based on their needs, they don't come to satisfy your need. They know their need. They don't know your need, but they see you as a solution to their need. So they will draw closer. Yeah. So you also need to assess your needs and look amongst them